man, it's your boy Car Beats, man, back with a POV as y'all can see. But hey, man, this ain't gonna be the original POV because as y'all can tell, my radio, I got a Chrysler 300 radio right now, so that means obviously I took my battery off, you know what I'm saying? So now I got this, I don't have no drive pages, nothing like that right now, so I'm riding in whatever mode this car in, you know what I'm saying? But I really wasn't gonna put this video or post, well I ain't gonna say post, but I wasn't gonna do this video right now because obviously I ain't posting or recording, but my car been having some issue, man. I changed my battery sensor, you know what I'm saying? That's why that light on right now. For some reason, it was like, the voltage was reading wrong, like making my battery seem like it did. Had to jump my car off and all that. I had to jump my car off with a jump box right now, but I just put a new battery in it again. I had a new battery the first time, and it wasn't really working. It was reading low, like, you know what I'm saying, like 11, 10, like 10 and 9 voltage, you know what I'm saying, with the car being off. But it's supposed to read at least 12, really 12.5, you know, when it charged up. But fresh off the counter, that bill reading like 11.9 from what my car was saying, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know if it was actually correct. But I got a new battery in right now. I just got a battery today. And that's why my check engine light on for the system low voltage. Because when you go to read for the code, no code pop up on the car. You gotta like get an actual device and look it up. That's how you know it's something dealing with that. And when you look it up, it's gonna be, you feel me? It's gonna be man, I got kilometers on. They're gonna be there saying they got low system voltage, like I think it's called PO562 or something like that. If y'all know anything about that, you know what I'm saying? But I really want to give y'all boys a good POV, man, cutting up, you know what I'm saying, doing my car how it's supposed to be driven, you feel me? But I can't. I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with it, make sure everything running good. So right now, just on a little test drive, I had the car running for like 30 minutes to, you know what I'm saying, let the alternator charge it up and everything like that. So, and now I'm driving it so it can get, you know what I'm saying, good voltage and all that good stuff and see if it stay where it's at right now. Right now, it's reading 13.9 and 14. It bounces to 14, between 14 and 13. As y'all can see right now, it bouncing a little bit. But anyway, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. I'm really just doing a test drive. I wasn't gonna record them because I don't have it in no modes. Because the video I really want to do, you feel me? Oh, y'all heard them pops. The video I want to do, you feel me? Is I need the modes to do that. You know what I'm saying? So, and it just ain't that fun when you ain't got the mode to really make that transmission really get down and dirty, you know what I'm saying? But the car still sounds good. And I got it in manual mode right now. But it probably could be a little short video. I'll give y'all boys a few little pulls and stickers and whatever like that. Cause I ain't drove my car like efficiently in like 2 or 3 like 2 going on 3 weeks. Boy, I thought that car, it is. I was like, boy, please don't hit no U-turn, boy. Not that kind, not what I just did. I wouldn't even did that if a car was coming. Like what I just did, a U-turn like that. Cause you don't know how fast they're going. But yeah, boy, goodness. Anyway, man, but she drive good nonetheless. I just need the car to hold charge, you feel me? I tested my alternator like 2-3 times. I think 3 times. I got my battery tested when I had another battery. My last battery was new. But I don't know if I killed the cell in it from when I unplugged my tail lights when I wrapped my car. And I forgot to take the battery terminal off when I unplugged my tail lights. Sorry I did that. Car crew, I know that I was kind of just, I ain't think nothing of it when I did it. And it was too late. You know what I'm saying? I already did it. So. But I ain't think nothing of it, you know what I'm saying? So, because I had to keep opening my trunk. You feel me? So I needed my battery, you know what I'm saying, on so I could open my trunk. Because you can't open it without power. Because they don't got no keyhole, you know what I'm saying? Stick 'em. that car in a minute. It been still pulling though. Even though I ain't got no sport mode on. I think I'm in eco. I can't even use paddle shift unless I put it in manual. But yeah, man. But I'm thinking that's what it is. But hopefully, I know they said my alternator not that good. You know what I'm saying? I got it tested. It was reading 14 volts, like 14.4. Last time I got it tested. You know what I'm saying? My battery had 100%, but it said it failed. That one time I went to AutoZone and I went to O'Reilly. After later on, they said it was my battery that time. My alternator was good, my battery was bad. I think I was draining the power, or a cell done went dead because of all the whatever was going on with that battery sensor that I had changed out. I got a new one, so hopefully it's reading right. Cause the car good was it jumped off, but I needed the whole charge. So like if I cut the car off, I can crank it right back up as soon as I cut it off. You know what I'm saying? Without a jump. You know what I'm saying? That's the whole point. So I hope my charging system good. And hopefully I don't need no voltage regulator. That's the thing that go in the back of y'all's net. Hopefully I don't need that. I ain't trying to do all that extra, you know what I'm saying? Like, I already had to do a lot of extra just to put that battery sensor on, because the one that I got, it had the matching part number, but the bolt that you put on there to go on the terminal bigger than the natural bolt that Dodge got on the terminal. So I had to shave that mug with a drill. Took me I started the night before and finished the next day, got to go to work. You know what I'm saying? It took me a minute to do that. And that mug get hot, so I had to hold it with a towel. So when you shaving metal, the whole thing get hot. Anything that's metal on it gonna get hot from all that friction, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, car crew, man, been a lot going on, man. I made a post about it on my community tab, but I'm just keeping y'all boys informed. I'm not trying to be inconsistent on purpose, but I'm ready to get back into that POV mode, just giving y'all boys hella video, like, you know what I'm saying, like back to back to back, like how I used to be, bro. Regardless of what they is, like, nigga, y'all gonna see my name across that screen more than once a week, you know what I'm saying? Let me get one more. Stick 'em. I ain't had my flame tune on in over a month now. Like, no cap. I ain't heard not one flame. I forgot what they sound like. I know they loud, but I forgot what it originally sound like. So I'm gonna give y'all boy one of them too soon. Just gotta get Olivia right first. Make sure she running regular, you know what I'm saying? Pay too much money into that car to be, you feel me? But I hope the battery was all it was for right now. I just got a brand new battery today, you know what I'm saying? Like, and when I plug that battery up, it'll read 12 volts, you feel me? Without turning the car on. So I know you gotta let the alternator charge it up so it can be at, 12.6, whatever like that, cause Scat Pack needs 12.6 voltage just for that starter to even spin over, you know what I'm saying? Which is crazy. Any other car, boy, you don't need but 12. But these big boy alternators and big boy motor, boy, you gotta have 12.6 just for that motor to spin, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. Yeah, man, recording in a while. Feels crazy. To be completely honest with you. Yeah, boys, another sticker on Fur Gear sticker. Hold on. Sticker! Woo! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ugly. But yeah, man. We're gonna see what happens, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see. Hopefully, man, everything good. I cut the car off and then crank back up, but cause man, bro, I'm telling y'all, man, I done been through so much this past month with that car, man. Like, it's ridiculous. It's really ridiculous. Car crew, man, I'm gonna keep y'all boy posted, man. Prayers for Olivia and what the hell I just ran over? Well, that bitch sound like metal. But, man, god damn. Boy, that junk ain't poking no hole in my top, bro. God, leave, man. See what I be talking about car crew, bro? It just be like, hey, I'm looking at the road. I ain't even looking at the camera. Whatever it was something small, but that must sound like a piece of metal, like, I don't know what that was, bro. I looked out my mirror, but I ain't see nothing fly up in the air. I'm gonna roll my windows up, see if I hear something. I don't hear nothing on my tire. I don't know, man, but oh boy. But yeah, car crew, man. Y'all boy keep prayers for Olivia and coming, man. But that could be a wrap, man, for today's video, man. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. And I'll keep y'all boys updated, you feel me? For all my religious folk, keep God first, keep them in the midst and everything that you do. You know what I'm saying? And he'll be right there with you, but you know what I'm saying? We gotta learn how to be obedient. I'm learning the same thing, you feel me? Y'all boys just keep that faith and listen, you know what I'm saying? Take heed to what he try to tell you, that intuition, you know what I'm saying? That little voice that be in your head, but that strong voice, that strong feeling. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it don't make sense. Or like you don't understand why. But you know what I'm saying? Something that you know you need to do. You feel me? So I'm trying to learn the same thing, y'all. But we all, you feel me? I ain't no better than y'all, you know what I'm saying? We all human. But yeah, man, anyway, y'all boy have a blessed day, blessed night. Whatever time you watching the video, you feel me? Make sure you hit that like button on the road to 17K. Get your boy to 17K the quick way, you know what I'm saying? But like I also said at the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.